One single bite changes everything. Incredibly crispy on the outside, pure melt-in-your-mouth perfection inside. It all begins with a warm, toasted Artisan tortilla, layered with farm-fresh, garden-crisp greens. Prime chicken fillet, infused with secret spices, and fried to golden, crunchy perfection. Drizzled with our velvety signature sauce, and draped in rich, warm, melted cheese. Rolled to perfection, then flame-seared to lock in every drop of irresistible flavor. Unrivaled taste in every single layer. Taste the obsession. Get your ultimate chicken wrap today.